In this video, I am going to teach you how to hide filters in Notion to keep your workspace cleaner and more focused. It's a quick tip that helps you stay organized without distractions. Let's get started. First, open Notion.so and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on the desktop or browser version for best visibility. Then, choose the space or page you want to work on. It can be a database, a task list, or any table view. Next, as you can see, there's a filter bar at the top of your table or board. This is usually visible when a filter has been applied. Now we can hide it by simply clicking the filter icon at the top right corner of your database view. Once clicked, the filter options will collapse and hide from view. Bonus tip: even after hiding, your filters are still active, so you can keep your workspace clean and maintain your custom views at the same time. And that's how you hide filters in Notion. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and easy tutorials. See you next time!